South Florida, brunch with me. Cruise the streets of Miami with me. Let's head to the Yardbird. Now this is good parking. Write it down. Welcome to Yardbird. Now this place has a lot of space. They have an all-around bar, high-top tables, as well as regular tables. It's very clean in here and the aesthetics is amazing. Now I saw on TikTok that everybody get the chicken and waffles, so we gotta try that. They do serve all types of water, but I got sparkling. But I really wanted to start it off with some nice coffee. And they do offer tea as well. This got me started. So I ordered truffle fries, it was pretty good, and a rib tip sandwich. This just needed a little bit more flavor, but it was well done for me. Presentation was amazing too. And I'm not sure if I should have dipped this, but I dipped it. Yeah. The waffles was bussin', the chicken was bussin'. And the price was right. The only thing I don't like about certain restaurants is gratuity. What if I didn't like my server? But my server was okay. So I did this on a Saturday afternoon. The crowd was light. Get to Yardbird now.